just received the Dinshare Cordless chainsaw. Let's open it up and check it out. Aha. Bam. All right, so this is portable chainsaw. This is the smaller model. And let's go ahead and see what we get in here. Got a lot of dust on it. Let's open her up. Aha. Pull that off of there. So there she be, right there. And it's got a special guard on top. And then it has this guard here. The battery's not plugged in, so I'm not going to cut myself. Let's put that back on for now, right? Here's the name, right? And also the name is right here. And so I think it's Dinshare. So this is what you get. You get the unit itself, right? And then it does come with two 20-volt batteries. I mean, look at that. Check it out. Two of them. You charge them right here. Let me show you the charger. So it comes with a charger right here. And you just plug it in and charge it like this. Like, it's so simple. Plug that in and then plug that into the wall and you're charging your battery. But these do come with a charge. Check this out. So they already have a charge on them. So let me go ahead and show you how it goes on. I want to show you how you put your battery on. You'll see there's little creases here. It slides in there. So if you look on your battery, you're going to see the contacts there. Here's your contacts, right? So you got to slide it in like this. See that? Bam, it's in. Now it's ready to go. Now this thing is live. If you've got the safety on right here, see it shows it's unlocked. If you push it on this side, you'll see it shows it's locked. Okay? So if I pull this off and I engage the trigger, it's gonna move. So if you want to lock it, you push it up. So when this is up on this side where it shows it's unlocked, it's safe. But if you push this and you see this side's up where it shows locked, that's actually unlocked. So down is unlocked, up on this side is unlocked. Lock it here, push, locked, locked. Battery, I always say, look, before you fool around with this thing, if you want to make sure it's safe, squeeze, pull it off, battery's off, right? Now it's not going to do anything, no matter what I do, even if I've got it unlocked or locked. You want to be careful. Make sure you put this back on so you don't hurt yourself. You set it in like this, all right? Take off your thing. That baby's ready to rock. We're ready to cut something. How's that grab you? All right, let's put that back on there so I don't cut my finger off. And this does have a safety in it. You push it like that and then it's safe, right? Push it this way and it moves. Safety, push this way, and there. All right, so I don't cut myself, I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze it here to pull it off. Battery's off, now I can't cut myself. Put this back on. All right, let's set that there. It also comes with an additional, I guess you'd call it chain. It's got lubricant and it's got this little tool in it, which has a Phillips head on it. It's like an octagon thing here, and there's the manual. Read your manual. Let's just go ahead and put it back until we use it. And yeah, these are nice. I can't wait to cut some trees with this. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos.